Just kidding. I'm going to buy more rocks.
Be sure and check the link in the description for you rockaholics. So after several roadside stops, we've checked, pulled over, stayed on this side of the fence, staying legal. We came down into this canyon. It's on Highway 380. And we were looking for Eagle Creek. We haven't quite got there yet, but we stopped along over here. And look what we saw. This is really interesting. Finding this kind of stuff here. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? I think I might dig that one out. And that certainly speaks for, ran a little bit out of water there, but certainly speaks for some seriously nice color. I think we'll take that one home. And of course we'll backfill our hole. So we're still up on that roadside, and CJ came up the trail with an armful like usual and some really stellar ones. So we're gonna show them off a little bit. Oh yeah, look at those. Ooh-wee. Nice. Meat rock. Ooh, yeah. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's pretty cool. Should get them out in the sun.
Yeah.
Oh, you got more down here though.
Oh yeah. This one is definitely pet wood.
Oh yeah. I don't think there's any. Oh, look at the green spots.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
And then this one is Jasper replacement petrified wood.
Yeah, boring ground. What else? Little
but
red.
it's iron stained.
Okay.
This one is definitely wood.
Oh my goodness, I guess so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then this one I wasn't too sure about because I didn't bring any water, of course.
Yeah.
This one is definitely wood because you can see the lines actually.
Oh yeah, it got the grains in it.
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah, cool. Okay.
And then
What else you got?
this one, agatized wood. Well, Jasper replacement wood.
Okay.
And then this one.
Okay. No startling colors, but it's still petrified wood.
Yeah.
Did you see this one? Did I show
Wow.
you this one?
That
Look at
is
this one.
gorgeous.
That's the one I just pulled out of the ground right there.
That is.
Oops. Get it in there.
That's got some beautiful quartz in it.
Can you flip it over?
Yep.
Especially on this side.
Oh yeah. Definitely. You
Look
can
at
see the
that.
grains.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's half Jasper replacement.
And is
quartz in
this
it.
one? Oh wow, look at
Yeah.
that one.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Wow.
Okay.
That even has cornelian in it.
So like we said, we're right here along Highway 380, just outside of Prineville. And roadside side stops can be real fruitful. So come on down, find your treasure today. So we found us a primo piece. The prize thing down here seems to be this pink petrified wood that's kind of opalized. That guy. Right. And it was pure pink when I picked it up. You get it wet and you can see the tree lines. You can see the rings are still there. But what a nice piece of pink. Yeah. That's cool. Of course it's Jasper. Petrified wood replacement. Jasper. Pretty cool. Yep. Look at this little guy right here. Isn't he pretty? Look at that rat in there. This is the kind of stuff that we're finding.
Yeah.
Here.
Unique. That almost has dendrites in it.
I know.
Yeah.
I might keep that little piece.
Yeah.
It's just so colorful.
Yeah.
You can see what it's done, you know, when it's polished, what it'll look like. You know,
Yeah.
all that color will still be there. It's all a part of the rock. It's not surface.
Yeah.
I thought this was really interesting. This is like old school right here. And you can tell it's been here for a very long time. Can you see it? I'm going to pull it out so you can see it. Either somebody... Yeah. Compared with now. Isn't that interesting? So CJ just came over and dumped this big load she's been catching from up the hill right there. Oh, CJ.
Uh-huh.
You need to tell us about it. I like that one right off. Right
I know. Isn't that gorgeous?
Wow. Man, look at that.
And then this one. Isn't that pretty? The back side not so pretty, but that side. But this one.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe.
There's also this one.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
Oh. But it's really, really smooth.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah. And then this one is another one that's really, really smooth. And it's got lots of color. And then this one is interesting.
That almost looks like, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's almost like it's purples in it or something.
Yeah.
But, yeah. Interesting.
Another piece
Rust
with that.
color. Like.
Yeah. This one is the one. I think that's the one. But the further I went up, the more of it showed up. And then this was the last piece that I picked up.
Oh my God.
But
Wow.
it looks like it's got,
Almost like brick
yeah,
or something. Weird.
this one.
Red jasper replacement, petrified
Yeah.
wood. Something like that.
There's tons of that stuff up there. And this is the one that I think I'm going to keep. Because it's got all of the telltale signs of wood. But
Okay.
this one is also one that,
Yeah, I like that square
Yeah.
piece. Easy to work with too on
Yeah.
the saw. And... Well, it's always a little strange when you're in an area you're not super familiar with. And so we thought we'd do like just a little roadside picking here. We saw this cool looking hill right here. And so we're just gonna go check it out. We'll give you some close-ups in a minute. Okay, I stepped out of the car and guess what? Look what CJ found. Just a little agate.
there it is. Just a little sea maggot.
Okay, well, so here we are. We're on the other side of the road. Check this out. Recent cave, and it's still falling down. That's just the wind moving it down. So I think we'll stay away from that one. It's might be a little hazardous. And there's CJ just going along the road, checking some stuff out. We'll see if we find something. What you got, CJ?
Check this out right here.
Here, I'll hit it with some water. See if I can get down there without breaking my neck.
Right here.
Okay, watch your fingers. Wow. Yeah. Here, let me hit it. Oh. Ooh.
Yeah, look at the
Nice.
bandings.
Look at that. Hold it still. There we go.
Spray it one more time right there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's definitely a
That's a
keeper.
gorgeous one.
Yep.